Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A72 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply lightning edges on this device. First of all, go into Play Store. Now you need to type edges and download this app from this developer. Open it, tap on one of these themes, name it and choose OK Creative, then close and add. Over here you can customize your edges however you want to. For example, you can change run style, add pattern, adjust it to the notch, change animation speed, border size and many other things. When you're done but you want to leave your current wallpaper, tap on one of these sources like photos, select the photo, adjust it and tap at the top right corner. Then choose create, tap on the theme that you created and choose enable wallpaper. Click on set wallpaper and decide if you want it to be on home screen or home screen and lock screen by clicking on one of the options. So now when I go back, I can see that my edges were successfully applied. But if you want to see them when you use your apps, you can always go back into the app, choose home, scroll all the way down, tap on the switcher next to enable overlay other app, click yes, then find edges app and tap on the switcher next to it, over here, go back again and tap on the same switcher one more time. As you can see, now I can see my edges when I use apps. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash the like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!